Hello, my name is Ashton, and in this episode, I will teach you about loops and wait blocks. Loops differ heavily from most blocks we have covered before in that they can also contain blocks inside of them, using this area right here. When a loop is run, it will run all the code inside of it repeatedly. So rather than change X only running once, it will run multiple times, as so. With a repeat block, the amount of times it runs is determined by this number in the white area right here. So currently it's going to run 10 times, and if we switch it to, let's say, 5, it will occur 5 times, so the X value will go from 100 to 150. The forever block is similar, but unlike the repeat block, it never stops running. So if you put the change X in it, and then repeat, it will continuously move to the right without ever stopping. If you do need to stop, however, you can simply press the stop sign above the program. Let me just fix this guy up right here. Alright, the final block is not a loop, but instead a wait block. When run, the block will wait for the amount of time that is input inside of it before moving on to the next block in the code. So currently it has 1 second input. If we put the change X block below it, it will wait 1 second and then change its position. As so. There we go. You can change the amount of time by just clicking in and inputting what you want. Now there is an additional loop and wait block. However, they both require knowing about another part of Scratch, booleans, which I will cover along with these blocks in the next episode. With that, however, you now know about most of the loop and wait blocks in Scratch. Thank you for watching.